Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be shooting some Shockwave Rimfire 22 caliber sensitive Tannerite. Video is not sponsored by them. I'm going to say it again, it is not sponsored. But I'm going to shoot it with my 17-inch Mars since it's Rimfire sensitive. You got to shoot it from at least 25 yards away, and you got to shake it really hard. If I can, I'll try to put the link in the description, but we're going to go back. Guys, so today I'm going to be using a Winchester 17-inch or more gray polymer tips, shooting at, the regulation, the lowest you can shoot on that is 12,000 feet per second. These are going 2550, so 2,550 feet per second. That's just under half a mile a second if you don't understand. So let's get to shooting. If I don't hit it on the first shot, it's just because this gun is not sighted in for these shells. But these are the only shells I have, and I don't want to shoot this thing with a 22. So let's go. I know. Ian. Let me get this zoomed in. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's somewhere's right in there for y'all. For me, I mean, I can see it, but I'm gonna take a practice shot here. Alright guys, so the first shot right under it. So yeah, it is. Alright, so second shot, let me find it again. I gotta get more steady. I can't see crap. I had to move that out. Oh, David, can you kick that out of the way? Thank you. I had to move that out of the way, guys. I have to go prone. I can't get real steady with that daggum thing anyways. So here we go. Did I really shoot right under it again? I don't know. Alright guys, so I shot under it again. But you'll know when I hit it. Know where to aim now. Oh my god, I watched that explode in my freaking scope. Alright guys, so you see the smoke just rolling away. You should have seen it in the scope. That was the best. God dang, that's the best one I've shot.
You can't even see the
God dang. It just obliterated it right there. God almighty. Alright guys, so David's gonna shoot my gun real quick and then we're gonna go in.
part of the.
Jesus Christ.
It just went.
It took 3 shots, but by God, I got it. Here you go, sir. You shot really quick, by God.
Yeah.
Here, video me.
I don't want to be in it.
I didn't say you was going to. Don't get my face. Or like get the gun and stuff. It's awful cold. But that's going to end it for that video, guys. That was awesome. That shot was amazing. You should have seen it through the scope. It was a once in a lifetime. It was awesome.